the most colorful wrestlers in the world today, Buddy Rogers.
Not one of them, the most colorful. The greatest wrestling that wrestling's ever had come out of this body. I want you and everyone listening in to know one thing, that if they ever made another guy better than me, he hasn't been made yet. The good Lord made me. He threw the mold away when it comes to the wrestling business. I've got a lot of imitators, many imitators, but there'll never be another to duplicate me.
Jumping to the beat, he's been dancing in the street. He's dressed so fine, got lots of loot. We like to call him Mr. Zoot. He drives a great big car, smokes a big cigar. He looks like a king and he acts like a star. When we see him drive by, he goes toot toot. We all shout, hey Mr. Zoot. He's got purple suspenders and a yellow tie. Hey, come on, boys, I tell you no lie. Those hats, those funky spats. He's a hippest hip and the coolest cat. I tell you no lie, this guy can't be beat. Wherever he goes, he turns up the heat. So when you see him drive by with that big saroo, don't forget to shout, hey Mr. Zoot. Don't forget to shout, hey Mr. Zoot.